Good morning, class. So I am going to start with the additions of algebraic expression. In this video there will be addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So first topic taking is addition of algebraic expression. So always remember, in addition or subtraction of algebraic expression, you will have to add or subtract the like terms. Like term means the terms with the same variables present in it. What were the like terms here? Like 3x square y, 5y x square y. Look, this x square y means 1x square y. Okay, this has the variable as x square y, this has y x square, that means 2 times x and 1 y. Here also x square y, that is 2 times x and 1 y. So in all these three terms there were the same variables irrespective of the number. They were the same variables, so they are the like terms. Here it is x y z, here it is x square y z. It is 1 times x, 1 times y and 1 times z. It is 2 times x, 1 times y, 1 times z. So these are not like. Getting a point? Like means the terms which have the same variables. We will add them. So first we have to add this AB minus BC plus BC minus CA. Always remember to make bracket. Always remember to make bracket, else you might commit a small mistake in this. Bracket should always be made in these questions. Okay, I will tell only the one method here. There are two methods, column method as well as horizontal method. I will be using only the horizontal method. Why? Because horizontal method is can be used in any question related to algebra, but column method at times you get stuck in that. But in horizontal method you will never get stuck if you understand it once, doing it once or twice. Just try to understand what am I doing. Okay, we have to add these. So we will now open up the brackets. There is no sign outside, so no worries. Here it is plus. This plus will go with this and this plus will go with this as well. Okay, because it is outside a bracket. A number outside a bracket goes inside with both the numbers. So here it is plus BC plus minus CA plus CA plus minus AB. Now bring the same terms, like terms together. Like terms mean the terms which have the same variable. Here AB and this AB. So AB minus AB, then this BC minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. You have got all those terms. There were 6 terms and here also there are 6 terms. So we have copied them correctly. So now AB means 1 AB. 1. So 1 AB minus 1 AB. 1 minus 1 gives 0 AB. Minus 1 plus 1. Again 0 BC. Minus 1 plus 1 again 0 CA. So 0 AB means 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. This is our answer. Okay, taking the next question. Next question here is this. We have to add this plus this plus this and this. There are 4 expressions here. So what is the first expression? 4x cube minus 7x square plus 9, make a bracket, plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4 plus 7x cube plus 7x plus minus 11x plus 1. 7x cube minus 11x plus 1, then 6x square minus 13x plus 6x square minus 13 x. Okay, now our next step should be removing of the brackets. So there is no sign outside, so you can directly copy this term. Moving further, plus means plus 3x square, plus minus is minus 5x, plus is plus 4, here plus is plus 7x cube, plus minus minus 11x, plus 1, plus 6x square, plus minus 13x. Okay, now again what we will do, we will bring the like terms together. Like terms mean these terms with the same algebraic expression, same variable. So here it is x cube. So you will copy all the x cube terms together, this. Okay, any other x cube term? No. Now x square term, minus 7x square plus 3x square plus 6x square. Okay, I have copied all the x square terms. Then single x terms, minus 5x, now minus 11x and minus 13x. I have copied all the x terms. Now number terms, plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So I have copied all these terms together. Now solving them means the same like terms will be solved together. So 4 plus 4x square plus plus 4x cube plus 7x cube. It is x cube and x cube, so they can be solved together. So plus 4 plus 7 gives 11x cube. Okay. Now x square terms, minus 7x square plus 3x square. Minus 7x square plus 3x square means minus 4. Minus 7 plus 3 gives minus 4. Okay, minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 gives plus 2x square, because all these three terms were of x square. Now single x terms, minus 5 minus 11, minus 5x and minus 11x. So these are also like terms. So minus 5 minus 11 gives minus 16. Okay, minus 16 minus 13x, minus 16x minus 13x, again like term. So minus 16x minus 13x will give you minus 29x. Now only number terms, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So this is our answer. Get it? So the next question is from subtraction. So what does subtraction means? Like if you are given subtract 2 from 4, you always do the second term minus the first term. Okay, in the same way you are given here subtract this from this, that is second term minus first term. Always remember this, subtract 2 from 3 means 3 minus 2, not 2 minus 3. Subtract 2 from 3 means 3 minus 2, means the second term minus the first term. Second term was 3 and first term was 2. So here also subtract this from this, that is this minus this, second term minus the first term. So second term here is second term minus first. Second term here is 14a minus 5ab plus 7b minus 5. As said, you have to put bracket here. Second term minus What is first term? 8a plus 3ab minus 2b plus 7. Okay, what next? Now you will remove the bracket. So here it is no sign, that is you can remove it normally. But now in this, here it is 8a means plus 8a, minus plus means minus 8a. There is a minus sign outside this whole bracket. So this minus sign will be taken with this, as well as with this, and with 7 also. This minus sign will be taken with all the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so I have taken this minus sign with plus 8a gives minus 8a, minus plus again minus 3ab, then minus minus gives plus 2b, then minus plus gives minus 7. Okay, now you have opened up the bracket. Now you can solve it normally. Okay. Now you will bring the like terms together, means a terms together, 14a minus 8a, here minus 5ab, and this minus 3ab, then plus 7b, it is plus 2b, minus 5 and minus 7. Okay, I have copied all the terms. Now 14a minus 8a, these can be solved together as they are like terms. So 14 minus 8 gives 6a. Then minus 5ab minus 3ab, they have ab, so they are like terms. So minus 5 minus 3 gives minus 8ab. Next, 7b plus 2b, plus 7b plus 2b, these are b and b, that is you can add them together. 7 plus 2 gives 9b. Now minus 7, minus 5 minus 7, minus minus gives minus 12. This is your answer. Okay, taking next question here, our third question of it. This one, it is this from this, means subtract this from this, means second term minus first term. Again second term minus first term, so copying the second term first. Second term here is 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus, I have put a minus sign here. What you have to subtract? The first term, second term minus first term. So first term here is 4p square q, 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Okay, you have copied the second term as well. So second term minus the first term, this minus sign is with all these terms. This minus sign is outside the bracket of the first term, full first expression. Okay, so this minus sign will be taken with this, with this, with this, with this, with this, and with this. Or with this minus sign will be taken with all the terms inside this expression, in this expression. So starting with the question, so you can copy the first term normally, means this term normally, because there is no sign outside the bracket. So 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Always remember, whenever you are solving these questions, just do it very clearly and neatly. Why neatly? Because at times if you write something abruptly there, you cannot understand the term here. Like if you have written x and it seems to you like x square, then your question might go wrong. So just do it very clearly. Now minus, here it is no sign, that is plus. Minus plus is minus 4p square q. Now minus minus is plus 3pq. Minus plus minus 5pq square. Minus minus is plus 8p. Minus plus is minus 7p. Minus minus is plus 10. If you see, the sign of all these terms have been changed. It was plus p square q, it is minus p square q. Minus 3p square, minus 3pq plus 3pq. Plus 5 minus 5. Minus 8 plus 8. Plus 7 minus 7. It is q. Look, I had committed a mistake, so our question would have went wrong. Minus 10 plus 10. Here also if you see, the minus sign is outside this bracket, so all the signs have been changed. Plus 8 is minus 8, plus 3 minus 3, minus 2 plus 2, plus 7 minus 7. The sign have been interchanged. In this also sign have been interchanged. Okay, so in always, so that is why I say minus sign is important outside the bracket, because it might change the sign in the expression. But in plus there was no change in sign. It was plus 3, here also plus 3, minus 5, plus 4, plus 4, plus 7, minus 11, plus 1, plus 1. No change in sign. Okay, but in minus the signs are always changed. So never forget to put a bracket in a minus expression. So now taking like terms together, number 18 and plus 10. Now p term, I have taken these two terms. Now p, minus 3p and plus 8p. Now q term, minus 11q. Next q term is minus 7q. Okay, next is pq, plus 5pq. Here it is plus 3pq. Okay, now next term is pq square, means p 1 times and q 2 times, minus 2pq square. p 1 times this and q 2 times, minus 5pq square. Next is plus 5p square q, means p 2 times and q 1 times, p 2 times q 1 times, minus 4p square q. So you have taken all the terms. If you see, all the terms have been underlined, that is you have taken all the terms. So moving forward, now you can just, you have brought all the like terms together, now you can solve them together. Plus 18 plus 10 gives plus 28. Now this minus 3p plus 8p, this is q, so this will not be taken, only these two terms together. Minus 3 plus 8 gives plus 5p. Now next, minus 11q minus 7q. These are q and q, so minus 11 minus 7 will be minus 18. Okay, minus 18q. So now plus 5pq plus 3pq, pq and pq are same, so plus 5 plus 3 gives 8pq. Next, minus 2pq square minus 5pq square, pq square are same, so minus 2 minus 5 gives minus 7pq square. Next, plus 5p square q minus 4p square q, so p square q are same, so these are like terms, so 5 minus 4 is plus 1 p square q. So this is your answer. Okay.